the mystery of the thick skin of green Kepok bananas. Hi everyone, have you ever been curious about something when you were peeling a Kepok banana to fry? Why is the inner skin so thick? And when the banana starts to turn yellow on the outside, why does the inside stay white? And why does it always feel damp, like it's hiding a wet secret? We often encounter this, but rarely inquire further. Well, in this video, we'll embark on an adventure as fruit detectives. We will dissect, examine, and reveal all the scientific secrets behind the unique skin of the Kepok banana. Get ready, because the answer is cooler than you think. From a microscope, we can see the details and clarity of the inner surface of the Kepok banana skin. There are many like cavities along the surface of the banana skin. Let's start with the first question. Why is the inner skin so thick? The answer is, it's not an accident, but a brilliant evolutionary design. Imagine a fortress. Kepok bananas, especially green and unripe ones, are a treasure trove for the tree. They contain starch, a valuable energy source. Well, the green outer skin is like the outer wall of a fortress, but the real enemy impact, insects and fungi, can penetrate that first wall. This is where that thick inner skin comes into play. It's a super tough second line of defense. This layer, in scientific language called the mesocarp, is composed of thousands of cells that are enlarged and filled with starch and water. It is this dense and fleshy texture that makes green Kepok bananas so sturdy. The inside of the Kepok banana skin contains water because there is a light glow due to the water content in the inner skin. This is the effect if you use a kitchen knife that has just been used to cut something else, and the remaining pieces stick to the inside of the Kepok banana skin. You can see a blackish brown color. Now, let's discuss the function of this fortification, which isn't just for the tree. Take a look. There are microfibers stuck to the banana skin. This also comes from the kitchen knife that was not washed before cutting something else. So next time, always clean the kitchen knife. When we fry or boil green plantains, this fortress is what holds the heat and pressure, ensuring the plantains don't immediately fall apart. The result? Fried bananas that are crispy on the outside, soft on the inside, and remain intact. So this thickness is a guarantee of quality, both longevity and deliciousness. But there's another curious oddity. Take a look. When the Kepok banana ripens and its outer skin turns a beautiful yellow, the inner skin, why is it still white? It's not turning yellow. Is she being stubborn? Or is something wrong? Here's the scientific plot twist. The color change is actually a race between pigment degradation and emergence. The green outer skin is full of chlorophyll, the green pigment. As it ripens, this chlorophyll is destroyed. And the yellow-orange pigments called carotenoids that have been hiding all this time finally appear on the stage. But the inner skin has almost no carotenoids at all. So, even though the chlorophyll is also degraded, there's no substitute pigment that can give it a yellow color. so she stays true to her pale color. This proves one thing: inner skin and outer skin are two different worlds. With different missions and chemical compositions, ripening occurs, but not all parts necessarily change color at the same rate. Okay, the fortress is revealed, the color mystery is solved. Now, the final, most sensual touch. Why does the inner skin always feel moist and wet? Is the banana crying? The answer lies in the fortress's storage strategy. Remember those thick cells that make up the fortress? Each one is a mini water storage tank. They're filled to the brim with water, keeping moisture out of the interior. And here, the smooth, slightly waxy outer skin acts as a plastic roof or airtight wrapping. It traps all that moisture inside, preventing it from evaporating. So, when we peel back and tear away that impermeable roof, we're confronted with a world that's always moist. What we're experiencing isn't ordinary water, but cellular water that's been long guarded. This moisture is also the key to why Kepok bananas stay fresh longer and achieve the perfect texture when cooked. They're not soggy, they're just incredibly hydrated. The analogy is this: a glass full of water is covered with plastic wrap. Then the plastic outer layer is removed and water condensation is visible on the walls of the glass inner layer. So, there you have it, folks. That thick skin we often overlook is actually a masterpiece of nature's engineering. It's a protective barrier, a storehouse for starch and water, and the guarantor of the culinary texture we love. Secrets are always hidden in the most ordinary places. If this video opens your eyes to the wonders of science in everyday things, hit the like and subscribe buttons. Share in the comments below what other fruit or food secrets would you like me to explore in depth like this. See you on the next daily science adventure. Happy curious!